Today you will learn how to use the Pythagorean theorem to find missing side lengths in right triangles. A right triangle has a 90-degree angle. The hypotenuse is the side opposite the right angle, and it is always the longest side. The other two sides are called legs. The formula is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where a and b are legs and c is the hypotenuse. Squaring means multiplying a number by itself. Example 1. A right triangle has legs of length 3 and 4. Find the hypotenuse. 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared. 9 plus 16 equals c squared. 25 equals c squared. C equals the square root of 25 equals 5. The hypotenuse is 5. Example 2. A right triangle has a hypotenuse of 13 and one leg of 5. A squared plus 5 squared equals 13 squared. A squared plus 25 equals 169. A squared equals 144. A equals the square root of 144 equals 12. The missing leg is 12.